All right, guys, welcome I welcome you to today's class, and we are going to be looking at arithmetics in Excel today. I remain your tutor, Celetech. Okay, now in Microsoft Excel, it's all about calculation. So today we are going to look at the arithmetic calculations we do in Excel. So I will clean this up. I have my CA and my exam. These are students who have this course. Maybe let's say I want to make it bold to make it look like a heading. All right, now here we are going to look at the arithmetic formulas, which are 4 of them: addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Now, how do we do this in Excel? Now we'll come over to this place. We want to add these 2 numbers here. Now we'll just say equals to. In Excel, anytime you want to do calculation, you must put equals to. It's a sign to let Excel know that you're not just typing, you want to calculate. So you say equals to, you say sum. So to add, there is a function in Excel that we'll call sum. Use it to sum. Now once you say sum, it's asking you for number 1. What's the number 1 thing you want to add? We want to add what is in cell B2. Remember, I'm not typing 12, because if you type 12 and type 33, it will add it. But when you type the cell that contains the figure, it gives you a chance that each time you change the figure, Excel will automatically run the calculation for you without you doing it over and over again. All right, now once I put a comma, it's asking me for number 2, and I'll click here. It's not put another comma, it's also asking me for number 3, but I'm only adding these 2, so I can just say this, and I'll close my brackets and I'll hit my enter. I have 45. Now to make it easier, since I have lots of data here, I can just drag it down. Automatically it will fix it in. This thing is the work of cell referencing. We're going to explain cell referencing in a video very shortly, but for now let's get done with this. Now this is addition. Now sometimes some of you will be asking, what if I am adding a large number of data? Will I continue to be saying, well, let me clean this. Will I continue to be saying this equals to this comma, like equals to sum? Will I continue to be saying this comma, this comma, this one comma, this one comma? No. It will be too cumbersome. So if I am calculating from B2, sorry, here down to as many numbers as I want, I can just say, instead of using comma, I will now use colon. B2 colon, that's the first cell and then the last cell. Once I click on this place, you see it has highlighted all of them. So if I close my bracket, it's now going to give me the sum of all these numbers from here to here. I hope it's clear. So note the difference between using a comma and using a colon. There are 2 different things in it. All right, now some of you will be asking, what if I don't want to use the function sum? You can still add without using the function sum. So I can say equals to, I'll say B2, I'll now use a plus sign, B2 plus C2. Once I hit my enter, I have the same answer. Is that sharp? Do you understand it? Okay. Now let's see. If you understand it, just give it a try. Get yourself, make these 2 things. Use function and sum it, then do another one. Don't use function, use the symbol of addition, and see if you get the answer. If you like the video, please like and share, and don't forget to invite your friends to the page so that you continue to learn from us. Thank you very much for watching. See you some other time. We are going to treat multiplication.